Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2017 model Toyota Corolla. The Corollas take our number 42 filter, and that's our 3-layer of cabin filter material. Cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and on the left hand side of the glove box you just have to remove the small strut. Just pull it straight off of the connecting part here, and then just squeeze in either side of the glove box until it comes open. Your cabin air filter is located behind this cover, and just under the cover, just by pushing the small tag in on this side and remove the cover, and it just clips in on the other end. Slide out your old cabin air filter. Careful not to allow any of the leaves or debris to fall into the fan below. Slide in your new cabin air filter, red acrylic base on the bottom. Slide it in until it goes all the way in. Reinstall your cover by putting the small tag on the right hand side in first, and then push your cover until it clicks. Close your glove box against the stops and reattach the small bar on the left hand side. Close your glove box and the job's done.